It's two wonderful people that fall in love. But it's the same two wonderful people that mess up. It's just these two wonderful people. So how do you get into something what we call as a divorceless relationship? And that's not an essential, but that can be a definition. And you can say, well, I will divorce you, and I will divorce this idea of this relationship, and I will divorce a lot of components. And it's got nothing to do with me. It's got to do with the verification of the trust parameters that I stopped getting for the criteria that I've laid apart for the safety that I will enjoy. And that's the tendency with which I will evaluate my world. And that's the probability with which I will connect to your world. And that's the proof with which I will stay in your world. And that's the way we will exist. And that's the existential theory, or that's the humanistic theory of connecting with another person with the basic needs that we have using the parameters of the human body. These emotions that I've put up over here, joy. When you think of joy, remember in a relationship, the topic that we're discussing today is a relationship. There are three components in a relationship. I am there, you are there, and then we are there. Because a relationship is something very abstract. There isn't a relationship. It's an illusion that there is a relationship. There is no relationship between you and me. There is me and there is you. And then there is a decision between you and me of what we will do in that space. And that decision comes from the possibility of how much experiment is allowed in that incubation center. How much of dance is allowed and how much of volume is high, and how much can I explore myself in that space? How much can I laugh? What safety do I have to laugh? How much can I dance? How much can I yell? How much can I cry? How many days can I cry? Can I share with you my darkest, deepest secrets? Can I share with you my desires? Well, that is between you and me. So there is no relation between you and me. There is the ability to relate between you and me. So there is me, and then there is you, and then there is a quality of the space between you and me. What is the quality of the space between you and me? What is the quality and texture of the landscape in which you and I live? Can I dance there? Can I play there? Can I laugh there? Can I cry? Can I yell foul? Can I talk about things that I don't like? Can I talk about difficult conversations? Can I say my trust was violated? Can I say these are my sexual needs and urge? Can I ask at some point in time, can we do certain things in certain way that I like? Can I pursue different goals? Can I? Is that the quality of the landscape where you and I live together? And if that is the quality of the landscape, then that's what I will call as a relationship. So what is a relationship? It is the way I relate to you.